Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Earth Education. Let's discuss about earthquake. Introduction. Earthquakes are one of the greatest natural disasters which cause a huge loss of life and property every year around the world. सिंपल वे में ये कह सकते हैं कि अर्थक्वेक है वो एक नेचुरल डिज़ास्टर है जिसकी वजह से ह्यूज लॉस होता है लाइफ का एंड प्रॉपर्टी का. व्हाट इज अर्थक्वेक? Earthquake is defined as a shaking below the surface of the earth which causes shaking the crust. सिंपल वर्ड में ये भी कह सकते हैं earthquake means shaking of the earth. Why does Earth shake? First point, fault in rocks due to energy release. Second point, rock move in opposite direction. Third point, friction locks them together and their tendency to move apart overcome frictions. Fourth point, blocks get deformed and slide past one another. And fifth point, this cause can release of energy and the energy waves travel in all directions. Types of earthquake. Four types of earthquake. First is tectonic earthquake, second is volcanic earthquake, third is collapse earthquake, and fourth is explosion earthquake. Tectonic earthquake caused by the movement of earth plates, energy released, and can cause extensive damage. Causes. This can happen when two plates collide, when one plate slide underneath another. Volcanic earthquake. It is caused by the movement of magma, and earthquakes are often smaller than tectonic earthquake. They can still cause significant damages. Causes. This can happen when the magma is forced by the movement of the earth plates or when it released from a volcano. Collapse earthquake. It occurs when building or other structure collapse. If they occur in populated area, they collapse many buildings and structures. Causes. This can happen due to a variety of reasons, including poor structure, weather, or an earthquake. Explosion earthquake. These earthquakes are usually very small but can cause damage if they occur near populated areas. Causes. This can happen due to a variety of reasons, including mining, construction, and etc. Next topic, seismic waves. Waves caused by earthquake are called seismic waves. Waves can travel all over the earth as studied on seismographs. Types of seismic waves. Body waves. Release of energy at the focus and move in all directions traveling through the body of the earth. Types of body waves. First, P waves. First wave to arrive at seismograph. It moves through solid, liquid, or gas form. It is also called a pressure waves. Second, S wave. It is also called secondary waves. They can travel only through solid material. This characteristics of S wave is quite important. Second, surface waves. The body waves interact with surface rocks and new set of waves. These considered to be the most damaging waves. Types of surface wave. First, rage waves. A wave rolls across a lake or an ocean because it rolls ground up and down and side to side in the same direction. Second, love waves. Horizontal shifting during an earthquake. They exist only in the presence of semi infinite medium by an upper finite thickness. Difference between S waves and P waves. Next topic, shadow zone. Specific area where the waves are not reported by seismograph. Such zone is called shadow zone. The study of different events and there exist an altogether different shadow zones. First, P shadow zone. Area Earth between 105 and 145 angular distance. It does not receive any direct P waves reacted by the liquid cores, while S waves are entirely halted by the liquid cores. Second, S shadow zone. S waves not received in the zone beyond 105 degree. This shadow zone are bigger than P wave shadow zone. Next topic, measuring instrument. Earth magnitude is measured in Richter scale. The instrument that measures earthquake shaking is called seismograph. Seismograph has three components. First, the sensor. Second, the recorder. Third, the timer. Next topic, earthquake zone. Based on the past history, Bureau of Indian Standards grouped into four seismic zones: Zone 2, Zone 3, Zone 4, and Zone 5. Regions that fall under the earthquake zones in India: Zone 5 regions, Zone 4 regions, Zone 3 regions, and Zone 2 regions. Causes of earthquake. First is hard layer, second is lithosphere, third is lithospheric plates, and fourth is asthenosphere. Do's and don'ts of earthquake. Conclusion. Earthquakes may occur at any time of day or night. Earthquake damage might also result in floods or fires. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.